Okay, so let's see. This is the kick block. Hey guys, welcome to Micha's Music Corner. So actually this is a new series that we're about to start here where I go over music production techniques, software, hardware, things of that nature, because this is my music corner. As you can see, got my foam padding, this is my corner, this is my desk setup, so got my computer here, and so we're gonna go through this. And today on Micah's Music Corner, I'm gonna bring you a new piece of hardware, the piece of equipment that I got. It's a MIDI controller actually for my DAW, my digital audio workstation. So the DAW that I'm using right now it's called StudioOne by Presonus. So Presonus makes a bunch of things, not just the DAW, but they also make some hardware. They make some speakers, they make some rack things for the rack. I'm actually gonna clean up this audio here using StudioOne as well, so you'll hear some of the quality of the sound on that. But today we're gonna be going over the MIDI controller that I just bought. So I'm gonna show you this right here. This is the Nektar Impact LX25 Plus USB controller keyboard. All right, so there's a bunch of different features and specs on it. 25 note, full-size velocity sensitive keyboard. It has pitch blend and modulation wheels, dedicated octave and transpose buttons, one fader which is assignable. You got 8 potentiometers, those are assignable too. You have a page button for Nektar DAW integration only, because the Nektar has their own DAW as well. They also have 6 transport buttons that are automatically mapped via Nektar DAW integration. They're also assignable. You have 8 velocity sensitive LED backlit pads that are used for the drumming, for like drum pads or whatever you can assign to that as well. They have clips and scenes buttons that's only used with the Nektar DAW as well. There's a foot switch socket, so if you have a foot switch that you need like a foot pedal or a distortion pedal or something like that, you can hook it up to it. Yeah, it says foot switch not included. So also full generic MIDI controller programming capability, so you can use it on the Mackie hub if your DAW is not supported by the Nektar software that comes with it. There are also 7 segment LED display, which is up here. There's a display over here. It has 5 programmable user presets, so if you're using a different user, you can switch the preset. It has 4 programmable pad maps. It's USB powered, so it doesn't need its own dedicated power. It's USB class compliant, so there's no driver needed, so it's going to be picked up by your Windows or your Mac drivers already. It has a USB cable, so when you plug it in, it should be plug and play. It also comes with a complete version of Bitwig 8-track. So I'm not sure what that is, but it also has a Nektar DAW integration for Bitwig, Cubase, Digital Performer, FL Studio, GarageBand, Logic, Nuendo, Reaper, Reason, Sonar, StudioOne Plus, like what I'm using. And then there's more, probably Ableton as well, which are some of the more popular DAWs. So let me show you this on the computer here. Basically, before you plug it in, you need to install the driver pack that comes with your that has to go with your DAW. So basically, you got to log in here on Nektar. Yeah, if you don't have an account already, then you need to register an account. So I registered my product already here, and if you can see this, you also have the versions that are showing right here of what your product is and the support for it. So if I had a different DAW, I could just hit edit. You can select which OS you're using. I'm using Windows 10, and you could select your DAW and it will show you which one it is. So you got Bitwig Studio, Cakewalk, for just Sonar, Cubase, Digital Performer, FL Studio, GarageBand, Gig Performer Live, Logic Pro Mainstage, Mixcraft. If you're not using a DAW, you can click that. So once you submit it here, it shows you what's available. So I've already installed this Impact LX for Presonus support. So that's going to be already ready for me when I plug in my controller. So let's cut this real quick here. Okay, so now let's unbox this guy, the Impact LX25 Plus USB controller keyboard. The price on this thing is about $100. After tax, mine was about $110. I got it on Amazon. However, you can get it pretty much anywhere that MIDI controllers are sold. This is actually sold by a third party. It says Bender Warehouse, but I know they're not the ones who sold it to me. I've seen this also on eBay, and I saw it on like all the major places that sell MIDI keyboards. And check it out. I don't even think I have enough room on my desk here for this MIDI controller. So let's take it out of the box. So obviously it comes with a user manual. Right here, this is the user manual that it comes with, and it comes with the serial number on the inside. It's also on the outside of the box for some reason. I don't know why. People can actually steal the serial number right off of it. Here's the USB cable that it comes with, and let's see. I registered my product already. This is the actual keyboard itself. Like I said, it's pretty big. I don't even know if I have space on my table here to place it. But yeah, this is the screen it was talking about right there. Various knobs, various buttons, pads, drum. I mean, these are programmable pads, but I think they're supposed to be velocity sensitive. But I don't know yet because I haven't plugged this in. The keys are full size. If you can see, these are some pretty big keys right there. So it actually feels pretty good. It feels springy. Like there's some keyboards out there, MIDI controller keyboards, that just feel like garbage. Like the responsiveness isn't that great. It feels like there's some sort of resistance. This one is okay. It's not, you know, like fully. They're full-size keys for sure, but they're not like fully weighted. All right, and then you got your little LED screen, LCD screen right there. It usually shows BPM. All right, I'm turning on the power right now. Here we go. So it powers on. It says it's setting up device Impact LX25 Plus. So if you take a look at it, you know, there's some light going on. Okay, let's go with an instrument. Let's go Impact. Let's see if it works here. And let's try Atmosphere Chill. All right, let's try it. All right, I'm gonna actually turn on the mic. Okay, there we go. So let's see if it. Okay, so let's see. This is the kick block. Yeah, so it actually, the harder you hit it, so that, I don't know how to change it up. So yeah, but anyway, that is Impact. So, you know, I tried that. Now let's go and we'll try using Serum. Let's put your Serum in here and we'll try it. Let's see. Yeah, so Serum is working. Let's put in a bass. Let's put in a bass here. Let's put some this. All right, so that, okay. So let's see if this actually recorded. Looks like it did. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So, just moving things around here. All right, let's go into this and do this. All right, guys. So, I'd say this is pretty successful. I'm gonna be using this to make some music and you know, I'll show you the process that I've been going through to make the music. You know, you'll be able to see, you know, like what I've been going through to make the music, mastering, how to get the recording right and everything. So I'm gonna link this down below. Check out the link. It's an affiliate link, so if you decide to buy one, it's about $100. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time.